Exporting a PNG to a JPEG. First, take a picture. That part's easy. Next, what you want to do is launch your Adobe Lightroom. Add the picture by hitting the button in the bottom corner from your camera roll. Select the image that you'd like, and from this point, what you might want to do is start editing your image. Now, always take your time when working on a picture and try to make it the very best that you can. We'll be getting more advanced, but more information to follow. I'm selecting a black and white. That makes the cat look pretty good. Now, I'm going to hit the Save button in the upper corner next to the cloud and select Export As. Always verify your JPEG option. Make sure that that's there. Your image quality should be at 100%. Check to save because it's now a JPEG. All right, we're almost done. Export that image to the camera roll. And of course, it's saving one last time. It's exporting to your phone and is now officially in your photos or cam viewer. That's it, ladies and gentlemen. Make sure you always add the JPEG to the Google Classroom and not the PNG file. Don't screenshot. It's that easy, and we're done.